Hey, if you're new to the reading journey and confused about which genre to pick, romance can act as pivot. I would suggest going for Indian authors because reading is considered a very boring habit and Indian readers can easily relate to romantic books which have indigenous characters, Indian characters. So here is my first book, Till the Last Breath. Well, the book is very close to my heart. This is the first book that I completed after leaving so many unfinished books. You see, mine looks really old because I read it in 2015 and it's a third hand copy. You know how we are in college, we live on a budget, and romantic novels can fascinate us a lot. Having said that, let's jump to the author. The Joy Datta understands the nerves of Indians really well. He's the most sought after romantic novelist in India. Now, this book has some 325 pages. Even if you haven't read any book so far, you can read this within a week. I finished it in 1.5 days. The story is about Dushyant, a drug addict and alcoholic who wakes up in a hospital and meets Pihu, who is also a medical prodigy. Later, she finds out that she has few days left and both are destined to meet their last breath here. There are also two doctors in the story, the very charming Dr. Erman, who can be the hero of my dreams of any girl. And there's this beautiful Dr. Zara, who is an intern and she hates men because she's actually a rape victim. The story revolves around love. The story has love stories between Dushyant, his ex, and Zara, and then there's another story which is going on between Dr. Erman and Pihu. You will find that the story is little different from other novels of the Joys because you will relate to the pain, grief, and a bit of happy moments as if these characters were your friends, let's say. Since it's a romantic novel, how can there be no romance? But that too, it's in purest form. Believe me, you will not stop crying in the end. A must read book if you just want to make reading your habit, or if you want to know about some fictions, or let's say if you just love romantic novels for genre. Now, cut straight to 9 years later in 2024, I read the next book by Durjoy Datta, World's Best Girlfriend. Now, this story revolves around Anchal Madan, who comes from a humble background and just got into SRCC college. She struggled to live a middle class life and she also has a boyfriend who kinds of tries to control her. The story starts in the Andamans when she and her family win a holiday package at a 5-star hotel. She couldn't believe it because she feels she has always been unlucky in life. Now she's trying to wonder every moment of luxury here. She meets here Daksh Dey, who is a well-off college student and a nice guy, but she does not like him initially. The vacation ends here, both move into their own lives. Now the story is weaved into phases and different years, how they meet again, but now in opposite situations. I'm not going to reveal the opposite situations, but they, yes, come into relationship and then have a breakup as well. This story is full of ups and downs, a lot of doubts, confusion. It is an interesting story and you should read it till the end to find out what happens to their relationship eventually. Speaking about Durjoy Datta's writing style, it is always exciting to read his work. This is the best thing about Indian books, that the touch of Hindi phrases, some slangs help us connect with the story better. The vocabulary he used is also very simple, and there are few words that might be new to some people, but it's good, no? This is the advantage of reading. You get to boost your dictionary as well. Again, a must read book if you are a beginner and love romance. The third book in my list is Revolution 2020 by Chetan Bhagat. Now, I had already read Two States by Chetan Bhagat and Half Girlfriend as well. So, I wasn't much in dilemma before reading this book, and it was peak of 2020, so I had to read this book anyways. The story has three main characters, Gopal, Raghav and Aarti, who were all in class 12. Gopal comes from a lower middle class family and is appearing for his IIT exam. Raghav also comes from a rich family and Aarti is a daughter of a bureaucrat. She wants to become an air hostess but ends up becoming a receptionist. Gopal loved Aarti but could not ever express his love to her. The story starts in Banaras with Gopal, who is now a director of an engineering college, which he constructed with the help of a local MLA. You see, Kala Dhan. Raghav, on the other side, completes his BTech from IIT BHU and now works in a newspaper as a journalist. So he's basically the good guy in the story. He writes on crime, corruption, etc. The story weaves around love between Raghav and Aarti. Then Aarti meets Gopal after some years, and by looking at his genuinely made up success and his sweet gestures, she starts liking him. You can also see a sort of love triangle on the book page. The author has created many twists within the plot and a great insight to the real Indian political world with the help of a love story. The ending isn't what one would expect, but that's a great thing about impressive books. It has to be unexpected. I was never really a fan of Chetan Bhagat's writing, to be very honest, but if you simply want to read something light-hearted and has interest in genre romance, it is again a must-read book. You can definitely give it a try, especially for those who are new to reading journey and वो बस एक हैबिट डेवलप करना चाहते हैं. तो आप चेतन भगत की जो राइटिंग्स है वो बहुत ही सिंपल है. हर कोई जिसको बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी इंग्लिश की, they can also easily understand. Now the next book in the list is Love Hypothesis. It is my first romance novel by a foreign author. The author is Hayar Ali Hazelwood. It's a story based on Stanford University between two protagonists of the story, Olive, the PhD fellow, and there is Adam, who is a professor researcher here. The book showcase Olive's insecurities about romantic love relationship. She has a fear of public speaking as well. Basically, she feels discomfort in speaking to anyone in stranger. The book starts with her accidental encounter with Adam, and she kisses him. Due to some circumstances, Adam accepts Olive's offer to enter into a fake dating relationship. The book further describes such incidents that unfold more interesting story. I'm not going to spill the beans, but yes, it is not a simple story. There are many twists. All in all, it is a sweet book. And plus, if you have interest in science, you will like it. जैसे मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो मैंने इंडियन नॉवेल्स इतनी पढ़ ली थी रोमांस के अंदर कि मुझे था कि I wanted to explore romance by foreign authors in a foreign setup, ताकि मुझे भी वहाँ की यूनिवर्सिटीज और लेट्स से बैकग्राउंड के बारे में नॉलेज हो. But yes, one disclaimer that I would really mention here, read this book only if you have already read 4 or 5 books, whether fiction, non-fiction, then only should you begin reading this book. Yes, this is all my recommendations for beginners or anyone who wants to read something different, or let's say want to read something just to develop the habit of reading. The romance को आप as a genre definitely pick कर सकते हैं. If you really like this video, please tell me कि मैं आपके लिए और किस टाइप की videos लेके आऊँ, because books के मामले में I have a lot of recommendations, so मैं mainly वही recommend करती हूँ जो मैं खुद पढ़ चुकी होती हूँ. But yes, I have some really great recommendations for you, and if any other topic that you would like me to highlight, please mention. And if you genuinely like this video, please इसको like करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. Bye, see you soon.